Hit the czar.
The czar?
Chat, tell him hit the czar.
But like, I never had the czar. Like the last time.
Hit the czar.
The last time I had.
Hit the czar.
But the last time I had the Zaza was like boy sober. Oh shit.
Torpedo, big guy too. Chat, we coming big blunt. Man, hit the gas, bro. What's up with him, man? Stay talking about peer pressure.
Just one.
Just one.
Just cause you the first rapper. What if my mom see this shit? She gonna beat my ass.
You gotta get that ass whipping.
That ass?
You gotta get that ass whipping.